Welcome in. So today, myself and you are going to learn to play along with Phantom Regiment's 2023 warm-up packet. So why is it that some drum lines have really difficult packets that might go on for 15-20 minutes and some have short, sweet ones? Well, often it comes down to 2 or 3 variables. The first one is the talent level that these guys get in. If you get a whole bunch of the very best of the best, you're going to have to push those guys. If you get a whole bunch of vets return, so you had 9 snares and 7 of them return, the following year you're going to have to make things more difficult or people switch off and they don't get pushed. A second reason, which is a really important one, is how late or how early these lines move in. Like back when I marched, we moved in like January, so we had to push these guys with really difficult stuff to get us all the way through to tour. Some of these lines don't move in until, say, 3 weeks before they go on tour. So everyone moves in, we've got to learn a few warm-ups just to get everyone playing together, then we've got to learn that music, we've got to learn that drill, and we've got to get back on that field. Obviously, the other thing comes down to the instructors. Some instructors like to have a packet where they push all the guys and it's really long and it's part of the show. Some like to just keep it short and sweet and get straight into that show music. This one is a real short one. It's less than 10 minutes. We'll get stuck straight in even. Warm yourselves up. The start of this one's missing, so get some 8s in now and then jump in with me. Here we go. One quick thing. Please go check out the guy who did this original video, Heshley Luis. He's got videos of all different drum lines. Without people going out and doing these, I wouldn't be able to do these videos. Go give him some love, go give him a subscription, go give him some thanks, and go check out his other videos. Right, first thing, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and a release. Play it twice. It's quick, isn't it? Downs and ups, right? So 16s, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, taking it up. Make sure every height is a little bit different. All up, so back to 8s. You heard it last time. Sticks in at the end. Right, next up, we're going into a standard double beat. So you can see there's a short, long version this one is, and then we've got kind of a part 2 where we play 1, double, 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 da. Lock in with the 16th notes, get your doubles as high as you can push them, and lock in. Here we go. We're speeding it up, so maybe go a little bit lower, but check their heights. Okay, next up, we've got this triplet timing exercise. Timing exercises are super important, right? You need to get this one down. You've got to be able to mark time to this. Don't turn up to auditions if you can't mark time to something like this. It's basically triplets into quarter note triplets, right? They play it crazy fast, right? So learn it slow. So I'm feeling like hickory, dickory, hickory, dickory, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1. faster. I didn't see him say last time. Sorry, right, last time. Okay, accent taps, right? This is real simple. We're just doing bucks, so just down and up. So make sure you're doing a downstroke. The stop's nice and low, so that the tap's real low, right? You want to see that big difference. That wasn't me. Okay, lock in with the taps. So let's slowing down a little bit. Just go with them. Like this next one, we're into diddles, right? This one's written in 12/8. I want you to just think of this as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and, right? That's the way they're interpreting it, right? I've written it different underneath, but go back and have a look at that version I just had on the screen, right? That's me on that one. Right, so same exercise. This time we're going down low. All this kind of speedo sort of stuff. Stay below everyone else's sound. It's quick and there's a tag on the end, all right? So see if you can figure out the tag as well. Phantom Regiment. You can't leave us with that. That roll at the end. Okay, so that is the entirety of that warm-up exercise. And then that same video, they then jump onto the show stuff. And actually, they're a lot cleaner at the show stuff than some of the exercises, right? Which shows that what they've probably done is put most of their time into the show rather than worrying about stuff that's been done before. Now, here's a question for you. So our line's cleaner now or dirtier now? Like, I see lines getting away with a lot of things that definitely wouldn't have got away with back when I marched. So the amount of times back when I marched that everyone would bring their sticks out and you play the first note, and if it wasn't exactly together, there's a slight bit of grey in there, stop, and we do it again. Maybe we wasted time back then doing that stuff. Maybe the judging's changed. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the lines are cleaner now. Let me know your thoughts on that. Okay, so if you're enjoying my content, 69% of you guys who watch my content fairly regularly are not subscribed yet. Please do me a favour. If you're getting anything out of this, if you've watched one of my videos and you got something out of it, please go and subscribe for me. It makes a massive difference to me. As the channel grows, I can do more of these videos, I can do more content, and I can do some of the other things that I've got in my mind that I'd really like to show you guys. So leave me comments, let me know your thoughts. I look forward to seeing you in another one of these real soon. Thanks for watching. See you again.